you decide you're not asking nicely anymore?
Yeah.
At least it looks cool.
Yeah, right.
Let's go outside. Come on.
This has to be the worst rivet ever.
I would argue it's the best rivet ever.
Well, yeah.
Even at this point, it's like, I'm not letting go. I'm holding up this Thunderbird.
Yeah.
I was going to try to have the ball joints back in the uppers tonight, but I don't know if we're going to get there.
Yeah.
There you go.
And if you go like right in the middle on the passenger side, it's right where like I believe the window actuator. And what a lot of those did is the gears in them.
Oh, that came off.
It's trying to.
Well, that's
One or two more
And
parts.
it's just it's like
Yeah,
the tooth
yeah.
is missing.
Jesus Christ, this thing.
Because the second I
This is ridiculous.
Actually, I was trying to get
Hit the big round thing.
this side here is
Really?
That's about ready to come right off.
It's fine. It's usually when the battery is just
Oh, okay.
That's
that
two.
that battery is
Last one.
Yeah, and Corvettes
Go the
comes
other
standard
way.
repair city.
That one is a hit on it, so.
Doesn't matter what fucking year they are.
Oh, yeah, that's a standard option. It's not an option. That comes standard. It's right on the
Because
list.
when we went to go buy my 2011, all of them at the
That's all
dealership
part
were
of the
dead. And I'm like, well, I want to drive that one, so you need to get that one running.
Yeah. Yeah.
And his C3, I can't even keep a battery. I've had to buy 20 batteries for that damn thing. Because it doesn't. And there's nothing in the C3. There's not a computer. There's nothing. It's just, I'm just going to eat the battery.
I've noticed that when it was my friend's car, he went to a couple shitty stuff. And so,
There it is. Done.
Nothing to it.
All right, now we need to clean that up,
going on it, then it's okay.
make it all nice, and then we can put the ball joints in.
And there's
You
so
get
much
to shave the head off, and then the rest will come out.
in
Yeah.
Corvettes.
So just a little bit of wipe down, clean it up.
It's like.
See if they're ready to do the other one, Grant, while you're going over there.